हेलो बच्चों, आज हम ABCD सीखेंगे।
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra.
वेरी गुड बच्चों, आज हमने ABCD सीख लिया। बाय बाय बच्चों, फिर मिलेंगे।